In this tutorial, you'll learn about Google's Web Clipboard. The clipboard that you use on your computer when you copy and paste items is handy, but what if you could copy multiple things, text and images, and have them stay there for 30 days? That's exactly what Google's Web Clipboard does. Text and images that are added to the Web Clipboard stay there for 30 days, after which they are automatically removed. You can renew the 30-day time for any item in your Web Clipboard by pasting it in a document. But if an item goes 30 days without being used, it will disappear from the Web Clipboard. You can access your Web Clipboard from Google Documents, Drawing, and Presentations. In Google Spreadsheets, you can copy charts to your Web Clipboard as well. Let's take a look at the Web Clipboard. To access your Web Clipboard, click on Edit, come down to Web Clipboard, and then you have a choice of what's already copied there. If there's something selected in your document or presentation, here we'll say Copy to Clipboard, Web Clipboard. Or you can clear all items at once. You cannot clear individual items. You'll just need to let them fall off after 30 days of non-access. If you need further help about Web Clipboard, you can always access the Web Clipboard help at the bottom of this menu. Let's add something to our Web Clipboard. Here's a sample Google document in which I have a chemistry image that I want to add to my Web Clipboard. I'll click on the image one time to select it, and then I can go to Edit, Web Clipboard, Copy Selection to Web Clipboard. It's now copied to my Web Clipboard, which means I can use in any other Google Docs, presentation, or drawing without actually having to copy and paste it right then in sequence. So that means I can wait 2 weeks before I need it again, and it'll still be there on my Web Clipboard for me to access. So let's say that I want to use this in the sample presentation. Let me create a new slide in which to paste the item, and now I want to click on Edit, Web Clipboard, and I can come over here. By moving my mouse over each item, a small thumbnail will appear showing me what's been copied to my Web Clipboard. Being that this is the one I want to paste, I just click one time on it, and it will paste that image to my document, presentation, or drawing. Now that it's pasted, I can click and drag or resize and crop as needed. Now since I just pasted this item, it renewed the 30-day lease, so to speak, so this item will remain in my Web Clipboard for 30 days. If I don't use it for 30 days though, remember it will fall off and disappear. The downside about the Web Clipboard is that it doesn't tell you how many days left before it disappears. So if there's something that you want to use often, you may need to paste it in a sample document just to make sure that it doesn't fall off, unless you can keep track mentally when those items were pasted. Anything that's in your Web Clipboard can be pasted to any other spreadsheet, Google document, or drawing, even if you're on a different device at a different time. Let's add an item one more time to our Web Clipboard. Say for example I want to add the title of this presentation to my Web Clipboard. I select the title, click Edit, Web Clipboard, copy text to Web Clipboard. The text is now added to my Web Clipboard, and I can view it and check it by going Edit, Web Clipboard, and then mousing over the items. You'll see it's in the top because it was most recently added. I can now go to any other document as we talked about, and I can paste it from my Web Clipboard. Once it's pasted, I can treat it like any other text and change the font, the size, and the style of that text. I hope this helps you so that you can take advantage of Google's Web Clipboard, going way beyond what your typical system clipboard can do.